Good morning, my lovely students. Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to revise rounding to the nearest 10 or rounding to the nearest number ending with the 0. So, I told you before that in a two-digit number, if I want to round to the nearest 10, first of all, I should identify or underline the units digit. And if the units digit is more than 5, I should add 1 to the tens digit and put 0 in the units digit. While if the units digit is less than 5, I should keep the tens the same and put 0 in the units digit. So here we have the number 67. 7 is the units digit. 7 is more than 5. This means that we should add 1 to the tens and put 0 in the units digit. So the nearest 10 to 67 is 70. Round to the nearest 10. Here we have in the first side, the two-digit number has 2 as units digit. 2 is less than 5. So we will keep the tens digit the same and put 0 in the units digit. So the nearest 10 to 42 is 40. While on the other side we have 48. 8 is the units digit. 8 is more than or greater than 5. This means that we will add plus 1 to the tens digit and put 0 in the units digit. So the nearest 10 to 48 is 50. We can also round to the nearest 10 by using the number line. This is the number line, and here we have 30, 40, and 50. These are the two-digit numbers that end with 0. So 35, here 35 is the midpoint, the middle. And 45 is also the midpoint. If I have the number 33, 3 is less than 5. This means that the nearest number to 33 ending with 0 is 30. So 33 should be located before 35. Here is 35, here 34. So here we should locate 33. And here we have 38. 8 is more than 5. This means that 38 should be located after 35, since the nearest 10 to 38 is 40. So here 35, 36, 37, 38. And here we have 45. 45 is the midpoint. It's located between 40 and 50. So here is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. And the nearest number or the nearest 10 to 45 is 50. Since 5 or more, we should round up. This means that we should add 1 to the tens and put 0 in the units digit. Locate the following numbers on the number line. Here we have these numbers 18, 23, 49, and 55. We should locate these numbers on the number line. And here on the number line we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. These stars, the red stars, are the midpoints. This means that here we have number 15. 15 is the midpoint between 10 and 20. And here we have the number 25. 25 is the midpoint between 20 and 30. And here we have 35. Here we have 45. And here we have 55. So 18. 18, 8 is more than 5. If 15 is located here, this means that 18 should be located after 15. The nearest 10 to 18 is 20. So 18 should be located after 15. If this is 15, then 16, 17, here is 18. We should locate number 18 here. And then we have number 23. 3 is less than 5. This means that if here we have 25, 23 should be located before 25. Before 25, this means that if here we have 20, then let's say 21, 22, so 23 should be located before 25. Then we have 49. 9 is more than 5. This means that if here we have 45, 49 should be located before 40, or sorry, after 45, next to 50, since the nearest 10 to 49 is 50. So if 45 is located here, then 46, 47, 48, 49. 49 should be located beside 50. Then we have 55. 55, 5 is the midpoint, so it will be located on the red star. Since 55 is located between 50 and 60, and the nearest 10 to 55 is 60. So keep in your mind, when we want to round a two-digit number, first we should underline the units digit. If it's 5 or more, we round up. This means that we add 1 to the tens digit and put 0 in the units digit. And if it is less than 5, this means that we round down. We keep the tens the same and we put 0 in the units digit. For example, if we want to round 23 to the nearest 10, 23, 3 is less than 5. We will keep the tens the same and put 0 in the units digit. So the nearest 10 to 23 is 20. Now I want you to practice and round to the nearest 10 before and after. This means that if we have 62, the nearest 10 before 62 is 60, and the nearest 10 after 62 is 70. Thank you, my lovely students. I love you all. Stay safe.